Hey, what's up, guys? It's Azzy here, and welcome back to a brand new video. And if you can't already tell, I'm still sick. Nothing new. Um, but this video is going to be a gaming setup and a room review or room tour, whatever you want to call it, for 2020. So hopefully you guys will enjoy. Make sure to drop a like, and if you're new here and like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe. Also, letting me know if you guys want to see my face or if you just prefer this way. So thank you guys for watching this entire video to the end. If you do, love you. If you don't, understand. But let's get into it. Alright, so what we've got here first up here is my keyboard, which, it goes with not this computer, which I'll get into. This computer over here. Now this computer over here was my very first actual like PC, like built tower PC, and I've had it for a while. The only reason that it's not on or connected or anything is because I do have trouble in this room connecting with it. So that is an issue right now, which is why I'm not using this recording software. Otherwise, I wouldn't be using my phone. But yeah, I'm very sorry if it's hard for you to understand me because of how sick I am and whatnot. Anyway, here we got a huge stack of all my games. As you can see, I play all kinds of games. Here we have a Nintendo Switch. Up here we've got my lanyard, my gaming plush back here from Five Nights at Freddy's when the game came out and stuff. Here we have my Astro A40s. I have my Astro A10s. They're somewhere, but there's a broken cord on them, and I need to get them fixed. Here we got some JLab Studio headphones. They're wireless. Um, they're pretty nice. Got them for Christmas from family and whatnot. Down here we have a whole collection of my DS's and old cell phones. And when I say old, I mean really old cell phones. Like, this is, come on, guys, this is old. Like, hold up. Like, come on, Nokia? Like, this thing is, or not Nokia, sorry, I'm sorry, this isn't Nokia. My bad. But I have 3GS, 4S, and a bunch of Nintendo DS's, including the Lite, 3DS, and the XL. Over here, stress ball. You guys know, I rage a lot. It's no secret, especially when I'm gaming. I got this, so it's been helping a little bit. And then I also have this bouncy ball over here that I was given for like good luck. So whatever. Um, I'm missing a couple things here. Okay, so here is my Elgato. I actually have the cord and everything for it. It's just I don't have anywhere to put the cord like into, which is why this is here. Um, but we'll get into that in a second. But yeah, I would definitely be using that and whatnot, and all that crap. So here's my Pokemon wallet. Standard issue Pokemon wallet, whatever. Um, Here I have a little calendar that I got about, I think, Christmas. I don't know, and it's just motivations that I really like it. It's got some like quotes and stuff in it for like for if I'm not feeling motivated. A lot of times I am feeling motivated, but this is awesome to have right here to let me know to keep pushing. Over here got my PS4, and right here we've got my my PC tower that I bought. Um, I also bought this, which is the power supply. These are the only two pieces that I have of my PC build, like my dream PC build. It's very expensive, so I don't have the whole thing built yet, obviously. There's my spare glasses in the background. Nothing special, honestly. This isn't any gaming related stuff, but this is what I like to do as a hobby. This is my Pro Scooter. These are infinity bars, purple grips. This thing right here is like, I don't know. We just found it on the ground and I like put it around there and I thought it was cool. Um, Coming down here, you've got a tilt or a proto clamp. I believe a tilt headset or something. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not too in depth with that. We have river wheels, orange river wheels, and then a brand new deck with friendly grip. And I actually bought this from somebody, so I mean, I didn't put this on myself, but I just love the setup, and I did buy a majority of it from them. The grips were given to me by my best friend David, so shout outs to him. He is awesome. He usually helps me out with all my builds. This piece of crap over here is literally just, something I grew up with. Or not really grew up with. I actually bought this. No, yeah, that's right. I bought this at like I don't know, it was like one of those corner stores, and I saw it in there. Um, and it had like springs, and it was really old, and so I thought it was cool, so I bought it. Um, Coming up here, we got my Call of Duty Modern Warfare T-shirt, and I love it. It's pretty cool. I got it with my game. Honestly, haven't played the game too much, but it is what it is. Currently having issues with the internet, which is why we don't have any gameplays. Down here we got my PS3 with all the PlayStation games. I do have a couple PS3 games over where I was showing you. I don't know if I actually did show you, but here's the games over here. Awesomeness, we've got some Call of Duty, we've got some Pokemon Sword. Absolutely love Pokemon, absolutely love Call of Duty. Got Battlefield 3 from somebody, I don't know. I don't really play it, never played it. Black Ops 2 is a great game. And then as we come over here, I am wearing one of the hats that I had on my TV, but it's my PlayStation hat. Got it at GameStop if you guys are interested. It's pretty nice. I like it, honestly. It's like, I think, $25 or so. Here we've got a Pikachu hat going here with Japanese lettering. I thought it looked really cool. And that's going to do it for the gaming aspect, I believe. Now if we come around here, we've got my bed. And I just got this blanket. It's really, really nice and whatnot. We got a bunch of Bibles stacked over there. And here is where I game. This is my ghetto setup. This is brand new, actually. I just put this here, so I just was like, well, maybe this would be a good cushion for when I'm like gaming and whatnot. So I think it looks pretty nice. So, and then yeah. Here we got an extra large mirror that looks really good. We got my lamp, some dirty crap. We've got, this is my real name if you didn't know. I got this a long time ago. But, yeah, some underwear and whatnot. And, yeah, this is the entire room. Oh, I forgot the lights. The lights. We put these up at Christmas time, but they're pretty much just staying up because I love the way they look. So they're just going to stay up. So, I mean, I think that is everything here. Got a bunch of shoes over here and a bunch of crap in that corner. Yeah, I don't think I missed anything. No, I didn't. Okay. I did say the PS4 was over there in that corner. Just, hopefully I did. But, yeah, I got my big TV, and, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy this room tour. Just so you know where I am when I'm gaming, And if you guys are liking these types of videos, let me know. Let's try to shoot for 10 likes. 10 likes down below. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great night, day, whatever time it is. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.